So welcome back to the channel guys, OJ Marketing, and I would like you actually to check out this amazing strategy. This platform right here called Redbubble is a print on demand platform that you can just simply go on to purchasing virtually anything ranging from accessories to decorations and a lot more cool and amazing stuff. Now as a visitor, you can just simply come onto the platform, scroll for cool and amazing stuff and go on to checking out some cool designs, purchase a cool product, and you can just simply get a product of your choice. Now I'm going to walk you through how you can actually make money on this particular platform right now. So stick on with me as we dive right into the video. And like I said guys, with the platform you could get stuff ranging from clothing, accessories to stickers, phone cases, wall art, home and living accessories, kids and babies, the accessories option, stationaries and office, gifts, and more explore more designs. Now if I'm focusing on the clothing accessories and I want to focus on t-shirts, I'm just going to select that right now, and you're going to be able to see a lot of cool and amazing t-shirt designs on this platform. The respective amount they are actually selling such designs, and you can just simply take note that for as many designs as you are actually going to be seeing on the platform, it just actually involve them inserting a very simple image in the t-shirt right there, and people go on to purchasing that and you make some cool cash. Now the platform right here called Redbubble, like I said, is a print on demand platform, and how you can actually make money online with the platform is to just simply go to signing up as a publisher right now. Now you could just simply sign up to the platform and just simply go on to selling in your own artwork right now on the platform. As you can see, you can click on the sign up option. You're going to be brought to this page as you can sign up as an artist to set up a shop and start selling your designs, or you could sign up as a customer to browse the marketplace and find your thing. Now with these guys, you can just simply fill out your email address after selecting the artist option. Fill out your email address, your shop name, the password, confirm that, or tick this box if you want for them to actually email you special offers and artist news. Then sign up to the platform. Once you're signed up guys, you'll be brought to this page, and you can just simply follow these 3 steps to make money online. You need to create product right now. You need to also set up a shop, and you can actually go into getting paid via your product. Now to set up or create a product right here, you just need to click on add design right now, and once you click on add design, so as you can see, I'm being brought to this page to add a new work, and I can actually go into add a work and put in a copy an existing work right now. Now you actually need to go into having a very cool work which you want to utilize right there, or a cool image you want to utilize right now for your designs. And you can see the image resolution format and also the minimum pixels resolution right there. Now to actually get such kind of content or that kind of images, that's where we actually go on to gaining access to the second platform called the Leonardo AI. Now the Leonardo AI is an image generation tool to generate cool and stunning images just from text prompt right now. The cool thing about this is that it's absolutely free. You just need to sign up to the platform. You're brought to a home page to see a lot of cool and amazing images that were generated by a lot of people on the platform. You can select an image right there to actually see much more detail about the images right now that were generated, and also guys, the kind of prompt that was used to generate this image. You can see the prompt right here just simply says The Weeknd Abel as a character from Harry Potter, hyper realistic right now. And you can see right now the fine-tuned model that was actually used to generate your own image. Come onto this section, click on image generation, and it's actually going to take you to where you just need to go on to inserting a text prompt to generate your image. You also need to go on to inserting your text prompt, click on generate, your image will be generated. But before generating that, you need to actually consider the fine-tuned model you are actually utilizing. You can see guys that you can select the 3D animation style to generate something like this. You can select the anime style to generate images that looks like an anime, or the absolute reality to generate images that are actually kind of realistic. Now if you take a look at these 2 images right there, or these 2 sets of images, they were all generated with a single type of prompt, or exactly the same prompt. But take note guys that the images are different. Why? Because this was generated with a 3D animation style fine-tuned model, while this was generated with an absolute reality fine-tuned model. Now you can actually go on to see much more details right now about this, that you could edit the image properties and also the image dimensions. Once you're actually done with that, maybe I can just simply download one of these images on my device. If you actually generate an image, you can then just simply head on to platforms like removebg.com. Now if you come onto removebg.com, you can just simply upload the image and just remove the background for the image, because we want to utilize that on a t-shirt. We don't necessarily need the background. Head on to this particular platform called the imageresizer.com, because the remove.bg will actually shorten or reduce the size of that particular image. So I'm just going to select the image from downloaded using license remove.bg and upload that on this particular platform to resize the image to my choice. Now you can see the width right now. I can just simply go on to taking that the width and height to something quite cool and reasonable to me right there. Maybe I'm just going to put in something like 1000 by 1000 right there. As you can see, I'm just going to click on resize image, and the image resizing will actually begin in progress. As you can see, this is actually processing right now, and I can just simply go on to downloading the image because that has actually been resized. Now the image has been downloaded on my device. I'm going to head back to this particular platform called Redbubble, click on upload new work, and I'm just going to go on to selecting the new image right here. Click on upload. The image is being uploaded right now. I could just simply go on to giving this a title. Maybe I could put in something like play bear, and if I put in something like this, you can add in tags right now. Maybe I could put in tags like bear, brown, and some cool and amazing other tags right there to help this particular image or design become much more discoverable. Now you could add in a very cool and detailed description. Now you can see the image right now on those particular designs. All you need to do is to just simply click on edit, and you can just simply edit that. As you can see, the image is quite small. You can just simply go to changing the color of the t-shirt right now, or maybe I'm just going to utilize the original image or actually increase the size of that image quite better. So once that has actually been done, I can come back to this section and replace that exact same image. Now if I could come right here to replace that exact same image right now, I'm just going to select the image and actually upload that on this particular platform, and I'm just going to check out the difference between the previous and this one right now. Now as you can see right here, the images is actually being changed right there. So you can see the image actually looks quite better on such designs. Now you could just simply enable that on some specific designs right now, maybe on this particular kind of t-shirt, this particular kind of cap, and you can actually enable that on this particular chiffon top, and maybe you can select that to click on edit and actually go into reducing the image size for this right now, and you can just simply place the image somewhere, click on apply changes. The changes will be applied, and you can actually see how cool that actually looks like right here. So you can just do that for as many items that you want to just simply leverage. As you can see, there are lots of items you can utilize right now. Once you're done, just simply go into the bottom section. You can actually go into checking out the media such as select tool. Maybe you want to utilize that for photography, painting and drawing, and design and illustration, or a lot more cool stuff. Now you can actually go into selecting this option right here which says known, that this is not a mature content, nudity, or injury, or lingerie, adult language, alcohol or drugs, blood, guns, or violence are not actually used. So you can also agree, guys, that Redbubble meets the user agreement. Go on to clicking on save work, and your work will be saved. Now once your work is actually being saved, we can then just simply head on to the next phase, and that next phase, guys, will be to actually go on to creating your own digital shop. Now you can see that this is actually done, and you can see it says congratulations, you're on your way to setting up your shop. Run to dashboard to complete setup. Now for the setup, you need to go on to setting up your shop and setting up your payments method. Now for your shop right now, you need to add profile, you need to add cover photo, social media links and bio, and you could check out other things you need to actually do for getting paid right now. Just simply follow that, do that, and you can then just simply go into selling those particular cool and amazing images and make money. Now you may be wondering why this platform actually does that right there, that you can do that for absolutely free. It's because they're utilizing the print on demand business model, whereby they don't actually need to, or you as a print on demand designer, you don't actually need to start up with any form of capital All you need to do is just simply make some cool designs right now, as you can see on this image. Once you make some cool designs and maybe people come onto your store, check out your designs, like a design, and go on to purchasing that design or places an order, the store is actually automatically going to send that design or that order to the print on demand platform, which is going to be Redbubble in this case. When they send that to that platform, the Redbubble actually going to print in that design and actually package that and also ship that to your customers, and both you and Redbubble actually goes on to sharing the profit being made from that particular product. So you can actually go on to linking your Redbubble accounts with platforms like Etsy.com and also Amazon, so that a lot of people can be able to see your cool and amazing designs to get much more cool and attention and make some cool cash right there. So this is actually a very cool strategy you can take advantage of. Walk through this guys step by step like I showed you and make money right there. And guys, you need to also be consistent, create a lot and lots of images every day to create cool designs and make money online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.